Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to send messages from Telegram and WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and write, friends, your comments after watching. And let's get to the topic at hand. So, to begin with, I will tell you that you can easily redirect a message from Telegram to WhatsApp if it's a video or a photo. And now I will show you how you can do it. So, open up Telegram, go to the conversation you want to have, find the photo or video you want and open it. Next, you'll need to click on the bottom left on this arrow here and then select Share. Now you'll get a window like this and you'll need to scroll through this list of apps and find WhatsApp. If it's not there, then scroll to the end, click on the three dots where it says More, and that's where you'll find WhatsApp. Click on it. Then you can select the user you would like to send such a message to. If they're not on the list, you can type their name into the search box. So, select that user and then click Next and click Send to send that photo or video. After that, you friends will go back to Telegram, but to make sure that such a message has been sent in WhatsApp, you can open the app. And as you can see, in the correspondence, this media file has been sent. But let me say right away that, unfortunately, there is no method how you can share in the same way some text messages in the Telegram app. To do that, you'll need to find the text message you want and then click on it and copy it. And only after you copy the text, you can go to the conversation you want in WhatsApp. Click on the message box. Click and hold and select Paste. And send such a message. This is the only way you will be able to send a message from Telegram to WhatsApp if it is a text message. These are the methods you will be able to send any message from Telegram and WhatsApp. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.